Hey there, so the next one we'll look at is the 4 Shoemakers by Masterbox. So as you can see there, they needed to censor his leg because you can't have the leg being seen. Like they had to censor this sign here, so that needed to be censored as well. Okay, so censorship is a must need because if you see what's under that sign, you could probably die. So they're really saving your life. Alright, so we've got the German Paratroopers, World War II era, and we get 4 of them, and we get censorship, which is awesome. I love censorship. I reckon there should be more censorship in the world. And then, because they're a newer sort of build, we get the newer pictures here. These are built up ones. And he's got his 4 Shoemaker gun. Yeah, they seem okay. Let's have a quick look at the sprue. All right, so they are very nice looking little figures. So we get the little helmet. They all get that little pouch thingy. He's got a KAR. All these ammo belts here. I didn't like the daggers, but these bodies are actually pretty good looking. They've all got decent looking heads. Here you've got the guy that's lying down. Look at that hand, it's actually very nice, isn't it? Decent looks on their faces. And then we got some standard sort of, and all the equipment, helmet, and then you got all the equipment you need. That's the rear of the gun. All that. Over here we've got another rifleman, so at least they're going kneeling down. And all of those ammo belts. And there's a hand grenade too, a stick grenade. And then we've got this final guy here with the FALs or something. But I got a better one in a mini art kit, and also you get that different helmet. So you get 2 of these helmets and 2 plain ones. And they're, of course, the ones that you saw the 4 Shoemakers wearing. But it's got everything you need to build up what's on the front of the box. Pretty intelligent sort of thing. So you've got, you know, these things that go and create the smocks and all that. Of course, the bodies are interesting. Be able to do some nice camo patterns on those. And the heads are pretty decent. He's yelling out something there. What is he yelling? Yeah, I think he is, yeah. So it'd be interesting to see what they come up like. It'd be a good one. Alright guys, that's the next one in our Masterbox series, where we take a close look at all the Masterbox sprues. It looks like a pretty decent kit, and I think it's a pretty new one that they've released as well. Alright, I'll see you again soon.